Hey everyone, welcome to Review Nation. Slow cookers are a great way of improving your home cuisines by enriching your meals with richer, more pronounced flavors and tenderized foods. These cookers can be used to prepare a wide range of foods, from broths and soups to stews, casseroles, and one-pot meals. They are great at conserving energy and use far less electricity than ovens. There are various products available to choose from slow cookers, each with different quality, benefits, and prices. Today in this video, I will help you take the perfect pick from those available products. After extensive research and reading tons of reviews, I have made a list of the best slow cookers out of the reputed brands based on personal opinion, product quality, durability, and customer reviews. If you want to see the price and find out more information about the products, be sure to check the links in the description box. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Instant Precision 6-Quart Dutch Oven. The Instant Precision 6-Quart Dutch Oven, from the company that gave us the Instant Pot multi-cooker, is an unusual slow cooker. Rather than a ceramic crock or a metal pot, the insert is a covered enameled cast iron pan. When it's removed from the base, it looks just like a traditional Dutch oven and makes a great serving piece. The appliance has an LCD screen and a button to control the functions. While the slow cook setting doesn't offer a choice of low or high, there's a manual mode that lets you choose the precise cooking temperature. In addition, you can choose a braise program, which browns and then lowers the temperature to simmer, and a sear, saute setting for browning. After slow cooking or braising, the Dutch oven automatically switches to a keep warm mode for 3 hours. On slow cook, this model simmers at an ideal temperature so that food comes out fork tender without being overcooked. The chicken breasts and pot roast weren't stringy and could be cut into neat slices. The chili's ground beef didn't become overly soft and tasteless, and the beans didn't turn to mush. After cooking, the Instant Precision keeps food piping hot without further cooking it. While the exterior of the cooker stays cool to the touch, the cast iron insert and its lid get very hot. That means you don't have to worry about accidentally burning yourself by brushing against the exterior, but you do need a pot holder to lift the pot out of the base and lift the lid. Silicone handle covers as well as a trivet come with the unit. Although the Dutch oven has a 6-quart capacity, it's round rather than oval, so long items like a corned beef or rack of ribs may not fit unless you cut them into pieces. At over 9 pounds, the pot is extremely heavy to lift and maneuver in the sink while washing it. Fortunately, it's also dishwasher safe if you have the room for it. The entire appliance weighs more than 20 pounds, so it will take some strength to lift it in and out of a cabinet. Included with the appliance is a booklet of appealing recipes. Number 2. Cuisinart MSC600. Not only is the Cuisinart 6-Quart 3-in-1 a handsome appliance, it's a multifunctional one too. In addition to slow cooking, it can brown, saute, roast, and steam. You can even sear food right in the insert before simmering it. The heat settings include an ultra-low simmer slow cook mode, which will cook food very slowly or hold it at a piping hot internal temperature for serving. On the stainless steel base, there's a series of buttons to set the cooker, and the cooking program and time are displayed on a small LCD panel. This was one of the few programmable models that was easy to set without referring to the manual. After cooking, it automatically switches over to the warm setting for 8 hours. During testing, pot roast cooked in the Cuisinart came the closest to tasting like it was cooked on the stove. Both the meat and the vegetables were moist, tender, flavorful, and the roast stayed intact so it could be cut into long, attractive slices. The breasts and thighs in a butter chicken recipe melded with their spicy sauce, but still kept their shape and texture. My chili finished cooking with a rich sauce, chunky with beef and beans. As the Cuisinart holds food at an ideal serving temperature in its keep warm setting, there's no need to worry that dinner will overcook if you come home late. The only exposed part of this slow cooker that became too hot to touch was the rim of the cooking vessel. As the front surface and the handles stay cool, and they're the parts you're most likely to touch, there's minimal chance of burning yourself. On the pot, there are oversized plastic handles that make it very easy to lift out of the base. Its aluminum and non-stick finishes make the cooking insert easy to clean compared to the heavy ceramic crocks that come with most models. Cuisinart also supplies a very thorough manual with attractive slow cooker recipes. Number 3. Crock Pot 3-Quart Round Manual Slow Cooker. The Crock Pot slow cooker comes in 3 sizes, 3, 7, and 8 quarts. Each of these cookers can serve 4, 8, or 10 plus people. The last 2 options are ideal if you have a large family or like preparing your meals in bulk. Another upside is that all their stoneware is microwave and oven safe and can be used in the oven for temperatures of up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. However, it's important to note that the 8-quart option has a lid that won't fit in your normal-sized dishwasher as it's too large. This cooker can be programmed to run for up to 20 hours long, thus giving you that slow cook that gets all the nutrients out and intensifies the flavor. You can choose to use it in low or high cook settings. Moreover, there is a keep warm feature which maintains your ready-made food at convenient temperatures so you won't have to warm your food again when you come back home. There are many dishes that you can prepare using this cooker. Just toss your ingredients in and let them slowly turn into delicious delicacies that are healthier and tastier. Some of the commonly prepared dishes include broths, minced meats, stews, and flavorful stocks. This cooker is especially notable for tenderizing meats, making them easier to chew. Crock Pot made the stoneware removable and dishwasher safe to make your cleaning work easier. The digital display on the cooker allows you to set your convenient time from 30 minutes to 20 hours. You can easily monitor the progress of your cooking by looking at how much time is left on the countdown timer. Moreover, there's an option to readjust the time and increase or decrease it as needed. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER Slow Cooker. Cooking is only great if the result is impressive. This slow cooker will ensure you can peer through the tempered glass lid to ensure everything is going as planned, and you don't even have to open the lid. This is an important feature to ensure that your food does not overcook, losing its delicious taste. While cooking, especially on high heat, the cooker tends to overheat, making it challenging to hold the appliance when you want to stir your food. Thanks to the cool touch handle on this pot, you can easily hold the side handles and take your food to the dining table. On top of that, the plastic handles will ensure you can stir your food well and mix the ingredients evenly. Family dinners are essential, and this slow cooker is convenient for a family setup. Its 7 quarts are large enough to serve over 8 people. Moreover, you don't have to worry about the mess left after cooking. This appliance has a removable stoneware crock made of durable material, meaning you can clean it thoroughly without worrying about it wearing down. The fun doesn't end there with this cooking pot. The built-in lid holder ensures you don't make a mess when serving food. In addition, you don't have to hold onto the lid when stirring food. This holder offers enough support to keep every part of the appliance in position. Some foods require low heat while others high heat, and with this equipment, in your kitchen, you can cook either at their required heat. This is because the machine has 3 heat settings ranging from low, high, and warm, and this knob will ensure your palatable food is cooking at its ideal temperature. Besides, there are moments when you are waiting for other foods to cook, and you are worried that your food in this slow cooker will get cold. The good news is the warm feature will ensure your food is at the absolute temperature for eating. Although this product has many outstanding features, one thing that can be improved is the stability of the pot. Users have claimed that the pot does not feel that steady while cooking. Number 5. Elite Gourmet Glas Slow Cooker. One of the nice aspects of this product is the array of colors they offer their customers. You get to choose the color of your cooker from a list of 5 options, including white, purple, red, black, and stainless steel. This cooker has convenient side handles that keep you from coming into contact with the hot exterior wall. The knob is also designed to ensure your hands are protected and you can operate the device safely. Adjustable cooking settings allow you to select between low, high, and keep warm modes. This gives you the extra control you need for precise cooking while giving you a set and forget cooking experience. Cleaning this unit is quite easy. The inner ceramic pot is removable and can be cleaned inside a dishwasher. The same goes with the tempered glass lid. Another advantage of this lid is that it lets you peek inside the pot and monitor the progress of your food. The exterior of the cooker is smooth and can be quickly wiped down using a wet cloth when you want to get rid of stains and food particles. You get a limited warranty for 1 year when you buy this product. Moreover, customers in the US also get support from the company's customer service team. The only temporary downside to this product is its strong new smell when you use it for the first time. However, this quickly dissipates away in about 20 minutes. That's all from my end. I make helpful review videos daily, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. If you need more information or if you want to know the price or any available discount, please check the links in my description. For any kind of problems, please comment below. Stay tuned with us for updated reviews on the best products. It will save time and money. See you later in our future videos.